Hey everyone, it's Jennifer from Tarle Speech. I have a super quick lesson for you today. This is kind of a tip. And I have two words, hidden and common. Hidden and common. Someone asked about the endings here and how we pronounce it. Is it N and on? No, we are going to pronounce these with the schwa, that sound, the un. Now that being said, even though I use the sound for the schwa, technically the schwa is just an unstressed, relaxed vowel. Some people hear in, some people hear n, and some people hear un. Don't get too wrapped up in what the exact vowel is. Think more about this as that syllable is completely unstressed. That means it is softer, lower in pitch, and here's the biggest piece that my students miss, super short and quick. Un. That fast. Okay, so let's give it a try in a word. Hidden, 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 common, 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 hidden, common, hidden, common. I hope this little tip helped you, and if it did, please share us with your friends. Thanks so much, everyone. Have a great day.